So I'm gonna curl my hair today with the GHT soft curl iron. The difference between this one and other curling irons is that this one is a little thicker. Like, dang, she thick. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna be using this. I already separated my hair in twos, so I'm just gonna grab this really cute scrunchie and I'm just gonna tie up half of my hair. And for the other side, I'm going to be using the Bumble leave-in conditioner or hair primer. This stuff is bomb and it smells so good. It protects your hair against the heat, and not only from the heat but also from UV, which I think is pretty cool. So I'm just gonna take the first section of my hair, spray a little bit of Bumble, and then I'm gonna brush it out, starting from the tips. So I'm going for those nice and big Hollywood waves. So this is how I use my GHD curling iron to do my hair. I grab the piece, kind of warm up this area a little bit. I'm also straightening out those hairs. Take it out a little and then I just wrap it around my GHD curling iron. And then I flip my curling iron like up this way just so that it could get a little bit more volume, and also so that so the curl can be like a little bit tighter. And usually I like to count to like maybe 20 inside of my head as to when to let go of the curl. Once I let go of the curl, I kind of hold on to it just so that it can keep its curl. And I'm going to be using my favorite hairspray, which is the Caviar working hairspray from Alterna. And I'm just going to put a little bit of hairspray on that curl. I don't want it to be so harsh and stuck. I just want the curl to be able to like stick together. So I'm going to grab another piece. I think I'm going to do this whole thing. Let's do a big piece. And we're going to do the same thing. Kind of warming up this area a little bit. And we're going to wrap the hair around it. Since I grabbed more hair for this curl, I'm going to actually keep it in a little longer. And then I'm going to turn it a little downward just so that it could get a little bit tighter. She's cooking. She's cooking. So I'm gonna let her go really quick. So I'm just gonna do this to my whole head. And we're finally to the top. So at the top, I kind of want it to have a little bit more volume. So I'm going to take a little bit smaller pieces and I'm gonna kind of like flatten my, I mean not flatten, but kind of like give volume up here to this area. And I want to kind of keep it like this so that I could create that volume. Okay. Ooh, okay. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I did the other side of my head without the camera because I do have a difficult doing this side for some weird reason. So this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna grab a brush kind of like this. You could use something bigger if you'd like to, but just make sure that there's like spaces. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush out the top of my hair. And I'm just kind of like brushing it. And now I'm just kind of like pushing my brush in there, but not really like brushing it. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this clip on. I'm gonna just put the clip in. And then I'm gonna hold the curl over here. So I'm just clipping it just so that the curl can like stay a little, just so that the curls can get like a little bit more shape. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I'm grabbing my 2 pins. Alright guys, so now that I have my clips in, I'm just gonna put the soft texture spray from Bumble and Bumble. This is one of my favorite sprays to put on my curls. And it smells so freaking good. Like, this stuff smells so freaking bomb. So I'm just gonna let that sit in for a little bit, maybe like 10 minutes or so. Alright guys, and then this is the final product. Nice curls. Nice cute little vintage curls.